Every day, thousands of liters of water arrive at the Coca-Cola factory. Since water is the main ingredient, it must meet strict quality standards before entering production. In the lab, technicians test the water to ensure purity and consistency. Only then can it be used to make our beverages. Next, the water undergoes purification treatments using modern technology. This process helps create a consistent and safe base for every bottle of Coca-Cola.
Starting the daily tests on the purified water batch. First, we'll check the sample's purity and chemical balance. The pH is 7.0, conductivity is within spec. Now for the taste test, it has a clean, neutral profile. All checks passed, approving this batch for production.
Large storage tanks supply the sweetening ingredients used in the beverage. Automated systems carefully measure and prepare the correct quantities for mixing. This is where the special flavor concentrate for Coca-Cola is made. Every step follows strict quality control procedures. Ingredients are precisely verified and measured. They are then mixed in these large stainless steel tanks. This ensures the consistent, distinctive taste of Coca-Cola. With purified water, sweeteners, and flavor ingredients prepared, the raw materials are transferred to the mixing department, where the famous beverage begins to take shape. The purified water is pumped into massive stainless steel mixing tanks. This carefully treated water forms the foundation of every batch of Coca-Cola. Automated systems add precisely measured sweeteners into the tanks. Computer controls ensure the correct amount is used in every production batch. Powerful industrial mixers blend all ingredients together. The mixing process ensures that every drop of the beverage has the same flavor and consistency. The mixture is carefully cooled and monitored throughout production. Maintaining the correct temperature helps preserve quality and improves carbonation efficiency.
Taking a sample from tank A2 for testing. Sample collected, let's check it.
Okay, I'll run the composition and viscosity tests. Taste is good, composition and consistency are within spec. We're clear.
After passing all quality checks, the finished beverage mixture is transferred to the carbonation department, where the famous fizz of Coca-Cola will be added. Here, carbon dioxide is precisely injected under high pressure. This creates the signature fizz and effervescence that define the drink. This is where food-grade carbon dioxide is purified for Coca-Cola. The gas travels through these stainless steel pipes. Purification tanks remove impurities, ensuring quality. The pure CO2 is stored here, ready to create the fizz. Before carbonation begins, the beverage mixture is cooled to a low temperature. Cold liquid absorbs carbon dioxide more efficiently and helps maintain product quality. Advanced cameras scan every bottle for cracks, deformities, or manufacturing defects. Any bottle that fails inspection is automatically removed from the production line. Welcome to our sterile bottling facility. The filling area is kept extremely clean and carefully controlled. Specialized equipment helps protect the beverage from dust, germs, and other contaminants. This ensures every bottle meets the highest standards of purity. The caps are tightened with precise pressure to create an airtight seal. This keeps the drink fresh and prevents carbon dioxide from escaping. After passing all filling and sealing inspections, the bottles continue along the conveyor system toward the labeling department for the next stage of production. Industrial printers add production dates, batch numbers, and tracking information to every bottle. This helps ensure complete traceability throughout the supply chain. Special sensors verify that each bottle contains the correct amount of Coca-Cola. Bottles with too much or too little liquid are automatically rejected. This ensures every bottle meets the highest quality standards. Advanced inspection systems look for damaged bottles, missing labels, loose caps, or packaging errors. This helps maintain strict quality standards. After passing all quality control checks, the bottles are officially approved for sale. They are now transferred to the packaging department for final preparation. Here, automated systems group and package the bottles, ensuring they are ready for distribution. Automated packaging machines place products into cardboard cartons, providing additional protection during transportation. The machine's grips precisely insert each item, ensuring safe and efficient packing. This process protects goods from damage and streamlines logistics. The loaded pallets are wrapped with strong stretch film. This stabilizes the products and prevents movement during shipping. Forklifts transport the wrapped pallets to massive warehouses. Inventory systems track every pallet and prepare orders for distribution. Once orders are received, the pallets are moved to loading docks and prepared for delivery to distribution centers, supermarkets, and retailers around the world.
This shipment's ready for the distribution center.
Forklifts transport finished Coca-Cola pallets to loading docks. The pallets are carefully loaded onto large delivery trucks for distribution. The trucks travel to regional distribution centers. These facilities receive, organize, and prepare products for local delivery routes. Millions of Coca-Cola bottles are shipped by trucks, trains, ships, and cargo aircraft. The global logistics network delivers products to countries around the world. From distribution centers, smaller delivery vehicles transport vehicles to supermarkets, convenience stores, restaurants, and vending machine operators.
Store employees stock the shelves and refrigerated displays, making products ready for customers. Customers select their favorite Coca-Cola products from stores, restaurants, and vending machines. The beverage is now ready to be enjoyed anywhere.
From purified water and carefully blended ingredients to advanced bottling lines and global distribution, this is how Coca-Cola is made and delivered to millions of people every single day.